Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And in today's video, I am going to share with you a quick and easy, simple, fall wintry or like autumn wintry hairstyle. You can probably do this on shorter length hair, but you're not going to have the impact as such or as much as I am with my longer hair. Would you say I've got long hair now? Possibly. Anyway, I've straightened it because it's perfect for straight hair, and I saw this on a work colleague the other day and I thought it was super cute, so I'm going to share it with you now. So start with your hair straight. If your hair's straight, then please give me your hair. If your hair isn't straight, straighten it. I've straightened mine this morning. I'm at my mum and dad's because I'm about to go Christmas shopping. But anyway, we start with that, and I'm going to have mine on my left side. So I have just pulled it over to the left side of my head. Let me move in a little bit so you can see. I massively need my balayage doing again. But anyway, so I'm just going to make sure it's all smooth down the back. Like so, and it is smooth. I hope it looks smooth. I've got a mirror here, by the way. And then you just put it in 3 and do a simple plait, but only for like 3 times. Does that make sense? So like there. Then I might have to put in my bigger hairband, but I really want to try and use these clear ones, but I think my hair's too thick. So you just put your elastic in then. Oh, it's gonna work. And there you go, there is your simple hairstyle. It just adds a little bit to it with the plaiting, and then it just hangs down long. Anyway, I think this would be really cute for anything really. I think if you were wearing a dress, or you was at a Christmas party, or you could really dress it up. Or like I'm going to lunch with my grandma tomorrow for her birthday, and I think if I put on like a dress or a skirt and jumper, this would look really cute with that, which I might do. It depends if I buy one today. But this is it. If you've got shorter bits of hair, then just clip it in at the back. You should grip it, but mine seemed okay. But yeah, there is your quick and easy. It's really cute. I guess you could probably curl the ends if you wanted and do it with curlier hair, but I just think this impacts it so well that it looks better like this. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you'd wear this hairstyle, and thanks for watching. Bye.